Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope all is well. Thank you for checking out the video. If it's your first time here, go ahead and click that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today, I want to show you guys a flyer program. Okay, I actually joined it January of 2020. However, I did not share it with a lot of folks because I was actually working Impact Mailing Club, okay, and I didn't want it to overshadow that program. It was doing very, very well. But I have received quite a bit of calls where people were asking me about a flyer program. And hey, do you have one? Do you recommend any? There are some people that really love the flyers versus the postcards. So I actually went back and pulled my flyer, and I'm going to show you where I actually had this flyer back in January of 2020. So it's not a new program. So I'm going to show you that, and then I'm going to show you the flyer. And with this flyer program, you earn $200 per referral. Okay, so let's go take a look at this email that I have. Hang on a second. Okay, so I went back to my email and I put in flyer $200. So take a look over to the right. You can see January 2020 where I had copied myself, where I sent it to a few people via email, but I didn't really push it. Okay, see here, January 2020. That's a year ago. Okay, that I actually joined this flyer program with WTM, one of the companies that I've been with since 2016 as an affiliate marketer. Okay. So, as I stated, I've been speaking to a lot of folks and they were interested in a flyer program. So this one is called, it's called the 200K Bankroll. Okay, you make $200 per sale. Again, this is created by WTM, the same company that I'm affiliated with all the other postcard programs that I have. Okay, so you're looking at the flyer here. It's only a 2-page flyer, guys. Okay, it's a simple comp plan. It's 2 levels, okay? You make $200 per referral. So when you sign someone up from your flyer, you make $200. And then when your teammate makes $200, you also make $200. So it's a win-win, okay? Now, it comes with, WTM is going to send you a product package, what they call a wealth building package, where they give you a dual CD-ROM, WTM Business CD-ROM, mail order black belt success manual, 101 ways to improve direct mail response, 64 ways to increase mail order profits. Okay, and then of course your personalized flyer. And we're looking at the flyer right now. Okay, now as it states how it works, very simple. You're going to make $200 on every direct sale you make, and then your name goes into the referral box on the flyer of the person that joined you. 2 levels. Okay, there's no monthly fees, no computers required. Okay, for this program, all you got to do is print this flyer and mail it out. They give you some examples right here, you know, the income you make. But as a disclaimer, everybody results may be different. You just have to put the work in. Okay, and if you've dealt with me before, you know I'll send you an email. I'll send you some places where I get leads from, as well as I have a printing company, okay, for the flyer that you're going to get. And everybody that joins me in this $200 flyer program is going to receive 200 leads. Now check this out. This is what a lot of people like about this particular program. WTM is offering a 500 free forever stamp bonus. Okay, and it's on the flyer. Take a look. After every 3rd sale, 500 free forever stamps every time you make 3 direct sales. Every time you make 3 direct sales, after you make your first 3 sales, WTM will send you 500 stamps, guys. That's powerful. Every 3rd direct sale triggers another 500 stamp bonus. So every time, over and over, you get 3 sales, the company WTM is going to send you 500 stamps. That's going to help you with your business. Just 3 sales. Not 5, not 10, just 3. Okay, so think about it. On every third direct sale, the program operator will send you well-deserved 500 free bonus stamps to promote your business. Okay? Couldn't get any better than that, just like it states here. One easy step. $200 payment. Simply mail this exact flyer, okay, with the we're going to 3 money orders. I'm going to show you right here, okay. 3 money orders all go to the same address. So you're going to have a $200 money order in my name, a $200 money order in my sponsor's name, and $197 in the company. That's it. 3 money orders, mail them all to WTM. I recommend you mail them priority so that you can track it and know when it gets there. You're going to fill this form out with your name and address, your phone number, and your email. And it asks you, do you want your number on your flyer? I highly recommend you say yes, guys. Because when people get the flyer in the mail, they just want to make sure you're a real person. Okay? So, fill this out. Make sure it's legible. You need your address on here because this is where they're going to forward your welcome kit as well as all your commissions. The commissions are going to be in money orders, so make sure it's money orders. Okay? So they need to mail those to you. And that's it. That's the flyer. 2 pages, front and back. Okay, as you can see right here. That's it to this program. $200 per sale. First tier, second tier. Call this number, go check it out. Listen to the 24/7 message, 641-715-3900, extension 613-280#. I will also include a cover letter for you as well. Just send me your picture and your phone number, and we'll get that cover letter to you so that you can include that with this. Okay, and just mail this out. Again, I have a printing company that will do a great job for you on these flyers. All right, and you will get 200 leads from me when you join this program. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, mailing flyers, making $200 per sale, very simple. Go ahead. I'm gonna put a link. I made this a link so that you can go in and print it out. Okay, and if you want yours that way, I'll show you how to do that as well. Print this out, get it in, reach out to me, let me know that you're interested in this and that you're going to sign up, because I'm going to need your email so that I can send you some information. Okay, so 200 per sale flyer program with WTM Pub. I want to show you this real quick though before I let you go. This company that I'm speaking of that has the printing prices, they can create you customized envelopes too. This is what's going to entice people to open up your envelope. Okay, so that same company can do that for you as well. So with that being said, guys, go click that link, go check out the flyer, print it out, let me know if you're interested in this program, and we'll guide you through getting started with it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Be safe out there, and I'll see you on the next video. Have a blessed day.